Do you want to learn how to master American English expressions and idioms in everyday conversations? Today's video will help you understand and use common American English expressions, phrases, and idioms that native speakers use in their daily lives. Here is a list of phrases that you should incorporate into your daily conversations. General greetings to say when you meet someone, either for the first time or when reconnecting. I suggest that you repeat the word or phrase after you hear it.
Hello there. Hey. Hello. How are you? How's it going? How's it been? How's everything? How have you been? What have you been up to? What's new? What's going on?
Greetings for different times of the day, such as morning, afternoon, and evening.
Good morning. Morning. How are you this bright morning? Good afternoon. Afternoon. Good evening. Evening.
A friend or a family member you haven't seen in a long time suddenly appears, or you unexpectedly met.
I haven't seen you in years. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't seen you in a month. Oh, it's been a while. Oh, it has been a while. Long time no see.
Before we proceed, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Here are some expressions to use when someone returns from a trip or vacation and you want to ask how their trip was.
How was it? How did it go? Did everything go okay? Did you have fun? We missed you around here. It just wasn't the same without you. Did you enjoy yourself?
These expressions are used to invite a friend for coffee or a meal.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime? Would you like to have a cup of coffee? Do you fancy a cup of coffee? Do you fancy a drink? Would you like to join me for dinner? Do you want to grab dinner? Do you want to grab a beer?
These expressions are used when you disagree with someone's ideas. Using these phrases can help maintain a respectful and constructive conversation while expressing your disagreement.
I disagree completely. I couldn't disagree with you more. That's nonsense. I strongly oppose that idea. I completely disagree with that thought. I totally disagree with that.
These expressions are used when you claim that someone is wrong about something. These expressions let you politely and clearly challenge a statement.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know the first thing about it. You have no knowledge of it whatsoever. You're way off base. You're completely mistaken.
These expressions are polite ways to approach someone who is occupied, ensuring you don't come across as rude.
You got a minute? Can we talk? May I have a word with you? Got a minute? Do you have a moment? Can I talk to you? Could we have a quick conversation? Could we have a quick chat?
These expressions are used when someone isn't clearly expressing their point or not speaking plainly, often leaving others confused or uncertain about their intentions.
Don't beat around the bush. Just spit it out. Cut to the chase. Stop beating around the bush. Be straightforward and get to the point. Be direct and concise. Please get to the point.
These phrases are commonly used at social venues like bars, cafes, or nightclubs to connect with others.
May I join you? Is this a seat taken? Do you care if I join you? Do you mind if I join you? Care to join us? Can I buy you a drink? Would you like something to drink?
These phrases are commonly used when you like someone and you want to ask them for a date.
Are you free on Saturday evening? Are you free on Saturday night? What are you up to this weekend? What are your plans for next weekend? Would you like to go to dinner? Would you like to go out to dinner with me? I was wondering if you'd like to go out. I was wondering if you'd like to see a movie. Want to go to a party with me?
These phrases are commonly used when you're not interested in someone and consider them not your type, leading to a rejection of their date proposal. I would suggest you don't use the last phrase, because it is considered rude. For educational purposes, I have included it.
I'm not interested. I'm seeing someone else. I've got something going on. You're not my kind of person. You're not my type. I don't feel up to it. Not if you were the last man on earth.
These phrases are commonly used when someone is behaving abnormally. Some would consider it crazy.
You're out of your mind. You're out of your head. You're nuts. You've gone over the edge. You've gone off the deep end. You lost it. You are completely insane.
These phrases are commonly used when you don't understand what someone is trying to say, and you want them to clarify their message.
I don't see what you're getting at. I'm not sure I understand your point. I don't follow you. I'm not sure I follow. I'm not sure I get your point. I'm not sure I know what you mean. I'm not sure I understand what you mean. I don't get it. What are you trying to say?
That's it for today. These were American English expressions to use for your daily conversations. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking. Thank you and take care.